What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the daily. If you're new to the channel, what's up? And so if you've been following the channel, you already know I got my 92 5.0 foxbody convertible. It's my project car. I'm trying to fully restore it, so please subscribe to the channel. It's gonna help it grow. Hit that like button, share with your friends, do whatever, comment down. Like I said, I'm very open. If you have any questions, just comment down below. But so today's actually gonna be quite different because the performance is already almost to the peak of where I want it. All I need left is actually the camshaft. As you see in the prior videos, I got the headers, mid off-road H-pipe, and then the MagnaFlow competition exhaust system. So I thought it would be pretty cool because right now I'm actually trying to restore it, but actually give it a new, I guess a more beefer look. I want to say that just make it, I guess you could say give the engine bay a better dress up too. So I got something in the mail the other day, well actually a while back, and I just finally got time to do it. I was going to go to a mechanic shop to get them to install it, and the reason why I was going to do that is just because, as you know, I'm a college student and I don't really have the tools to do it. But finally it got to a point where I was just like, F it, frick it. And I went ahead and bought some jack stands because, you know, the stimulus check came out, and that money's going to go straight into my savings account and I don't really need it. So I thought it's pretty smart to just go ahead and buy the jack stands just so I can do my oil changes as well. But I'm gonna try and make an attempt on installing the new dipstick. As you can see, I got the Ford Performance dipstick chrome. It's gonna give the engine bay a whole lot more, it's gonna give it a whole lot better aesthetic to it on the inside. I do plan on dressing up a few other pieces, but I don't have that yet. Like I said, I'm just doing piece by piece right now. The only thing that matters to me is the performance and the sound. And so that's what I'm focusing right now. So like I said, the next thing's camshaft, and then from there I can actually start like freshening up or replacing the rag top, and then working on the engine bay. But let's go ahead. We gotta go move the car to an actual like flatter ground, just because right now it's on the hill from where we live. And then I also gotta work on my friend's car because his Camaro, on his the heat shields on his headers, it has like this really weird sound going on to it, and I'll show you out here in a bit when we get to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock out my car first, and then I'll help him out. So here we go. Alright y'all, nothing's better than a nice cold start. Here we go. That never gets old, I'm telling you. I do have the best setup ever, and I'm kind of like, whoa, whoops. I'm kind of nervous because recently Derek Productions, he just bought a Project Foxbody with his dad, and so he kind of has like a more of a space, I guess you could say beefer on budget, just because it's him and his dad's project car. So we'll see. I commented like on a few of his videos, like what kind of stuff he should do to his or what he should do to his foxbody build, just so, because like my setup sounds great. It sounds phenomenal in my opinion. Y'all should like check it out. Like I say, if you're in Norman, Oklahoma, just hit me up. I'm down for a drive. But okay, so the car is elevated. It's a nice sturdy spot. I'm gonna pull up the emergency brake, and then now the plan is to jack it up and then see what's going on underneath, and hopefully install the new dipstick. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if I can see, let me try zooming in. No, oh yeah. So this dipstick's like halfway out. That's because when we installed the headers, I guess we did it wrong, and the dipstick is misplaced, so gotta fix that.
That girl took my shit, ooh, say she wanna slip, ooh, left me for some kid, ooh, now she on my dick, yeah, that bitch took my shit, ooh, say she wanna slip, ooh, left me for some kid, ooh, now she on my dick, yeah, OT nigga.
So basically basically what I'm just gonna do is just unscrew the headers, and hopefully I'll be able to pull it out just like that because it gives me the space I need. So I'm gonna knock that out and I'll be right back with y'all. Okay y'all, so I had to unscrew the headers as you can see, and look how badly bent that is. Hold on, I'll show y'all. See that crookedness compared to this nice curvy one? So that's completed. Now the goal is to put it all back together. So that's what I'm doing right now. Give me a few seconds. Okay, so what is up everybody? So it's actually like a few days later. I finally got the dipstick out. It was a pain in the butt, I'll tell you that. It took me like a half a day, which is why I was only to take it out, and then from there I just called it a day because it was just such a pain. I had to unscrew the headers and put them back on. But just show y'all what it looks like. I just lay on my bed. So when we installed the headers, I guess we accidentally bent the dipstick, and that's what it looks like. And if you've seen a dipstick before, it's supposed to be like one natural curve, and you can see right there, it's just all bent and really bad. So that's the reason why I had to get a new one. So I already got the new one in the engine. It's just not fully secured in, and that's where I'm having the problem at as of right now. I have 0 ways of trying to like tuck it in because it's a snug fit. I tried forcing it in, that's not working. But hopefully I got the number 10 wrench and a 3/8 wrench. Hopefully I'm able to like use it as a leverage since it's like snug fit, can fit right in, right tight. So the plan is, I'll show you on this. So right now this is a 3/8 wrench. What I plan on doing is kind of like grabbing it right there from the side, using a hammer to hammer it down, and hopefully that works. If not, then I have to go to like the next hardware store and see if they got any tools to help me out. So hopefully here pretty soon I can get it back on the road, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna meet y'all downstairs. Okay, so I'll give y'all a look about what I'm dealing with. So see that right there? I got that little bit of piece just snug right in. It's nearly impossible. I tried, huh? How's it going? Pretty rough, honestly. I think I need like some kind of long extension. Honestly, we try to hammer it from the top and I try to pull it in, but.
Talking about this hose right here above the headers?
The dipstick?
Yeah.
The metal? Yeah.
Oh. I don't know, man.
Okay, so what is up everybody? As you know, I've been having a huge trouble trying to install my dipstick. It's been like days since I actually first started the original video. But hopefully we could get it in today. You know, I spend so much hours. I spend like 2 or 3 hours trying to get it in each day. Well, every time I try it. And call it the end of the day. Just because, don't forget, I'm a college student. So I like to pause the music. And so with me being a college student, I still got to focus on school. And that's why, you know, I'm going on and off. I work on it some. Go do homework. Study for a test. Stuff like that. So please don't get mad, you know. I gotta manage my time properly. But I hit up LMR and they gave me some good advice. They told me I could lubricate it, add some lube to it, and hopefully it could go in because it is a snug fit. Or I could buy some sandpaper, which I did as well, and sand it down some, just a tad bit, nothing too much, just get it right in. So hopefully that's what I'm gonna do for the next 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna try the lubricant first, and then I'm gonna try to sand it down. And then if whichever works first, like if the lubricant works before me sanding it down, I'll let you know, just so if you get the Ford Performance Aftermarket dipstick, that could help you out as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started, and I'll be right back and tell y'all what's up. Alright everybody, so it's finally installed. I got the dipstick in, and I'll show y'all what I did. So you see this dipstick. Right now I got it zip tied with the wires, the spark plug wires, just so it won't overheat. It won't be touching the headers at all. So that's all good and safe. And just so y'all can believe me, hold on. Go ahead, pull it out. See the oil level is good. Oil is good. Stick it back in, nice and smooth. And there we go. So that's all good. Now I'm going to talk about for the next couple of videos. The next I got ordered is a new coolant tank, just because this one's cranking, so there's basically zero coolant at all times. So that's the last thing I got to replace. And then next, for what's in store after that, I don't know, but I know I do have another leak. I just can't remember where it's at. So I have to go back down there in a bit and see what's up. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and crank it since it hasn't been on for about a week or two. would like to mention, when I would take my breaks from working on the dipstick, I would shine my tires and to make it clean. As you can see, it's a whole lot prettier, whole lot shinier. If you're interested about what tools I use, I'll show you. I'll tell you what I use. Also, one thing I have in store as well is, as you can see from the rack top, it's filthy as crap. You see the dark spots. Well, I got something coming in that should be helping it. The goal is to actually replace the rack top, but I've been doing some research. I could restore this, hopefully, if the company is a good company and they're not lying. So that's next. I got the stuff coming in for that. All right, y'all. Here we go. This is gonna be a 20. Let's see what happens. Shit. Guys, my car is starting to pull a whole lot harder down. And like I said, I don't even have a camshaft yet too. I'm really looking forward to the camshaft. The other thing is, once I get the 3 valve, would the foxbody restoration be done, or am I done with the car then? No, I'm not done. I still got things to do. Just I need an actual daily car, so when I'm working on one vehicle, I have the other vehicle. Just because, like I said, since me being in college and me work, I don't really have time to work on it on a full day or like 2 full days. It's going to be like bits and pieces, like 2 hours here, 2 hours there. So I'm going back and forth with it, which is why I need another daily vehicle if I'm getting rid of my Dart Charger. And then when I get the new Mustang, I'll be switching back and forth from whichever Mustang I get with this one if I'm working on it. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video, y'all. I hope you like it. Stay tuned. I should be starting actually, when I do restore my rack top, I plan on doing a photo shoot for my Mustang, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna wrap it up, and I'm out. Catch y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.